Hello again, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Match Train Stop YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. Sorry for the length of time there hasn't been a video for. It has been absolutely boiling outside, and even up in north it's been about 32 degrees up here, and it's just, yeah, any single time I try and walk about it's just dripping with sweat, so it wouldn't look good on camera. But anyway, here we are. The weather's cooled down a bit, and I have got some ice cool items for you. Got loads of European modern image rolling stock going on, and we'll kick it off with these REE models wagon packs. Now I believe REE are French. Now are we calling them RE or are we just calling them REE? I'll leave you to decide that one in the comments, ladies and gentlemen. Also, if you can hear a bit of a murmuring off camera or to the side of yours, I've got a fan going. So it's not quite cooled down that much yet, but there we are. That's the first of the wagon packs. So these are SNCF wagon packs, or well, they're pulled by SNCF locomotives anyway. They are all brand new items, and they are all modern image wagons as well. I think they're Epoxy 5, and the other two packs I have are Epoxy 6, and I'll get one out, but basically this pack now is exactly the same product code as this one as well, so two of the same product code, and these are all ready, listed up on eBay, ready for you, ladies and gentlemen, to buy, because I know the European customers are getting greater and greater. So there we are. Total Wagons, SNCF, French modern image wagons there from REE models. That's what I'm going to call them. But yeah, so I've never ever heard of this brand before, but on inspection, when all this arrived a few days ago, obviously I've listed all this and got them out of the box, and on inspection they are very, very highly detailed. Dare I say it, and there'll be somebody out there in the comments who'll probably fall off the chair at this comment, but are these guys the Acura scale of France? I think so. I think they're fantastically well detailed. They're up to that sort of standard. Let me know what you think. Right, let's move on. A bit of bog standard Roco stuff now. Two Roco cargo wagons. These are the what would have been the cross-channel cargo wagons. In the 1 in 87 scale, I know obviously Helgen did them in the 1 in 76. These are in the 1 in 87, which would have been on the continental side. Two of them. Now, if you want them listed up, just let me know. These are not listed up yet. My plan is to save these for the toy fairs and exhibitions coming up in the early autumn. But if you do want these, just put in the comments, Matthew, I'd like you to list them or anything else you see in this video which hasn't been listed. Like, for example, this. So this is a double cargo wagon, which bends in the middle. So yeah, that's a duo cargo wagon, and again, that is not listed. So like I said, if you want this on eBay, let me know. But however, that will be for the stall. Just give me a second. There we go. Bring a bit more light in. Although there we are, bit of a shade. It's a bit of a bodge job at the moment, the setup, ladies and gentlemen. I do apologise, but there's a few videos to record tonight. So now we're getting on to this Rivarossi VTG wagon. I believe this is one long old grain hopper wagon. And this is a wonderful, wonderful thing actually. Very, very nice. Rivarossi, I believe, are owned by Hornby. Yes, they are. Owned by Hornby. I think I've already mentioned that in the previous video, but hey, there's nothing wrong with giving the same information out twice, is there? But yeah, look at that. Fantastic, very well detailed wagon. Listed on eBay right now as we speak, ladies and gentlemen. So get it while you can, because it might be gone. It might be gone. Things seem to be selling very, very, very well recently. Been quite high demand for the items in stock. So trying to keep the stock levels high, and you know, getting good quality stock for everybody has become a bit of a challenge. Not just on the European front, but on the British outline front as well. I do obviously thank you all, ladies and gentlemen, for your purchases. However, you do cause me a bit of a stock problem sometimes, but hey, what a good problem it is. So we've got another River Rossi wagon. This is an open wagon with a log load as well in it. This one isn't listed on eBay either. This one is going to be saved for the stall, but once again, ladies and gentlemen, if you would like it and you see this video, just let me know in the comments and I will get around to it ASAP. There is your product code as well for that. It's a wonderful wagon. I assume, because this is all coming from the same collection, it might be either a French or Italian wagon. I say Italian because I'm about to show you something incredibly rare. So, do you remember in a previous video, it might be 3 or 4 videos ago, I bought some ACME coach packs? Well, here we go. I got some more. There we are. So this is the sleeper Roma to Paris sleeper set, or should we say one of the coach packs for the sleeper set. There you are. Epoxy 5, so your mid-90s, early 2000s era. Right there. These are listed on eBay as well. Very, very, very rare coaches as well. Like I said, your sleeper coaches from Paris to Rome, Rome to Paris. El Palatino, there you are. I know these are quite sought after, like I said. Any Italians watching? Here you are, ladies and gentlemen. I know for a fact that you want to get hold of these. These are in mint condition. They come with their detailing bags sealed. All the parts are there. So these I think these are brand new, and I took them out of the box, obviously to list on eBay. When in reality I shouldn't, because I think they're brand new. They haven't been used, which I usually wouldn't take brand new stock out of its boxes just because I don't want to get my grubby hands on them. Anyway, so not this one, but I'll get to that one in a minute. Get to that one. Right, so again, if you remember from previous videos, that Intercity coach set I got, the Italian Intercity coach set, well, I've got another one of them. So that's the 4 coach pack. I've got another 4 coach pack now. Again, listed on eBay. So, and these are mint as well. These are new. These haven't been out of the box. As you can see at the top there, you've still got all your insoles into your packaging. All your detailing bags are fully sealed as well. So you have a choice. You can buy the full, obviously the full 7 coach set, or you can just buy this 4 coach set instead. It's entirely up to you, but at least you've got an option now. And like I said, these are 2 different sets. So there's 2 of these sets and one of the ones with the DVT. If you get where I'm coming from. Right, I'm going to show you that, whatever that wagon pack was, didn't I? There we are. Got it. Right. So, another River Rossi product, and these are grain wagons, a pack of 4 grain wagons there. Wonderful condition. I think these are brand new as well, and I've got these ones out of the box as well to list on eBay. But yeah, I think these are brand new. But anyway, they're at very least mint. Very least mint. So they're very nice. They'll look great behind one of the Italian or French electric locomotives. Epoxy 5 and 6 as well. So obviously for your more modern era sort of continental layouts. Very, very nice wagons indeed. Marklin. Now we've got a pack of 3 Marklin. They are tarpaulin curtain side wagons, which are just your generic carrier wagons. Like I said, pack of 3. Let's see if we can. I'll get one out. There we are. Get the top one out. Still wrapped up. And again, I've got these out of the box for the eBay listing as well. And these are obviously available as a 3, ready for anybody watching the video to buy. Doesn't matter if you're British outline or European. I think they will blend in nicely with either, to be fair. So yeah, wonderful pack of 3 Marklin tarpaulin wagons. Very rare as well, very, very sought after. Epoxy 6 as well, so they're running round today as we speak. Probably in Belgium, France, Germany somewhere. Them very wagons will be trundling round carrying bags of cement. I don't know. Think off the top of your head. Right, last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, I've shown you all this rolling stock. Would you fancy a Loco to pull it all with? We've got this wonderful SNCF electric locomotive. Wonderful, wonderful thing. This is, let's have a look. We'll get to know. Yeah, so your detailing pack is sealed in there, so I'm assuming this has either seen very light usage or hasn't seen any at all. Not got round to listing this yet, simply because I would like to give it a little test. I think it's a used one, so I'd like to give it obviously a test before listing it on eBay or taking it to any stall. So yes, if you want a Loco to pull all this rolling stock I've just shown you, there you are. Right, well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for watching. It's been an absolute pleasure showing you more European items to you all. Again, vast majority are all listed on eBay, ready for any one of you lot to buy. If you are new around here and you like what you see, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the Matt's Train Stop YouTube channel, and get involved in the comments. I still, every now and again, do need some help with information on what I have in stock. And like I said, anything you've seen in this video not listed on eBay, just let me know in the comments. Just say, Matthew, I'd like XYZ item listed up, and I will get around to it ASAP. So yes, thank you all for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Any business inquiries for trade and for shows and exhibitions, it is mattstrainstop@gmail.com. That's mattstrainstop@gmail.com, all lowercase. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye for now.